Did I just find the best AR-15 trigger? I think I actually did. Today we're going to test the Black Talon Tactical Adjustable AR-15 trigger. All right, I'm no stranger to absolutely great triggers. I really am what we consider to be a trigger snob. I think a trigger can literally make or break how a gun behaves. Now, I have Elfman triggers, Geisley, CMC, Velocity, Trigger Tech, and literally anything else you can think of. But I think I just found my new favorite trigger. So let's talk a little bit about Black Talon Tactical. Dave, the owner, is a mechanical engineer that actually started in wire EDM business. He then had to expand this business, and one route that he went was manufacturing AR-15 pistol components. In somewhere around 2016, he was approached by a major AR manufacturer to make components for their drop-in triggers. And naturally, that snowballed into other manufacturers asking him for the same thing: make us trigger components for our guns. He then quickly looked at the existing trigger designs and thought he could make them better, a better design, better materials, tighter tolerances, and making them calibrated with real accurate adjustments. So he's absolutely no stranger to creating quality AR components. Here's where Black Talon Tactical triggers were born. Black Talon didn't stop at just AR-15 triggers. See, we all know that bullpup triggers absolutely suck, so they wanted to make them not suck. They designed some of the best triggers for some of the worst factory triggered firearms, and that's bullpups. They even designed a badass bullpup around their triggers, the Raptor bullpup, one of my favorite guns from SHOT Show. And you can actually check that out on one of our other YouTube videos from SHOT Show. Yes, there will also be a review and test coming soon of their own bullpup. All right, so what's going to be included in the box with our trigger? Well, one, you're going to get this absolutely beautiful trigger in here. I actually really like the colorway on it. Then you're going to get 3 different types of wrenches. You're actually going to get 4 wrenches in total. One you're going to get for your adjuster, and this is what you use to adjust your weight of pull, going from your 2 pounds to 5 pounds. The next are going to be the 2 black wrenches, and these are going to be for your anti-walk pins. This gold one is going to be for your tension screws, and this is what you're going to use to tension the trigger down to your lower to take out any movement that you may have on it. Then you're going to get your screw-in type anti-walk pins, which I'm a really big fan of. And then of course, you're going to get a sticker. Also included with that, and this is very important because I know we all read instructions, but this does include a QR code, and this QR code is going to give you a walkthrough on installation. I definitely would recommend watching that because it's really going to tell you how to make all the adjustments necessary. So don't be that guy. Go ahead and look at the instructions for this. And that's what's included in the box with your trigger. All right, now let's talk specs on this thing. Well, this is a full drop-in design. We don't have to put a bunch of parts together to drop this trigger in. It literally is all self-contained. We drop it in. It has 0 friction trigger release, and this is because they really mirror polish this insides of this thing. It has 0 take-up, and I mean literally 0 take-up. It doesn't exist. It has a 0.5 millimeter break travel, which is absolutely insane, and an absolutely maximum of 1.5 millimeters of over travel. And to be honest with you, I don't feel that 1.5 millimeters at all. It's built using A2 hardened tool steel, no garbage MIM, which is metal injection molding parts. The adjuster that you use to adjust this thing goes from 2 pounds to 5 pounds on the adjustable model, but they also make non-adjustable models or fixed to whatever pressure you want. Black Talon uses some extreme calibration machine on every single individual trigger that they make to specifically calibrate all these settings. Then they uniquely laser etch each one of these triggers to exacting tolerances of exactly where this is going to be. They also add a small little triangle on each trigger to show you where that machine calibrated this trigger to. There are 3 different trigger shoes available for this. We've got a curved trigger, a flat trigger, and an improved finger placement trigger, which we'll talk about a little bit later. Black Talon knows that you're gonna like this trigger so much, they've included a 30-day no questions asked return policy and a lifetime warranty. And obviously very important to all of us, this is completely made in the USA. All right, let's talk about the pros of this trigger. Other triggers can be described as mushy or like glass rod or candy cane brakes. Not really this trigger. It doesn't really fit neatly into that box. It's more like a wall that just lets it go at the prescribed amount of force and then it just snaps. To really simply put it, it just perfectly breaks. It's calibrated and accurately adjusted for exacting weights of this trigger, plus or minus only 1 ounce. There's absolutely no take up, there's no creep, and a completely unnoticeable amount of over travel. And it's stupidly easy to adjust this thing. It's lightning fast shooting. The reset on this thing actually pushes your finger a little bit forward. It's audible and it's tactile. By pushing your finger a little bit forward makes it feel like all you do is simply pull the trigger back. You're not actually moving your finger to release it. It's insane on how short this thing is. And it's the highest quality parts made in the USA. Comes with that lifetime warranty like we talked about. And the thing is see, Black Talon actually cares about its products and it cares about its customers too, which is very important. It does have those 3 trigger shoes giving you a ton of options. And the IFP trigger shoe that we were talking about has a flat trigger and then kind of this lower little section on it. So you kind of get 2 triggers in one. See, at the top, you've got that flat face trigger to give you lightning fast speed in your shooting. But then if we drop it down to that little bottom portion on it, it allows you to kind of ride that trigger guard to give you the exact same placement of your finger on that trigger every time to allow you to have really, really precise shooting. All right, now let's talk about the cons of this trigger. Honestly, I really couldn't find any cons, so I'm just gonna be ridiculously nitpicky here. See, standard lowers don't have an opening in them to allow you to adjust the trigger from the exterior of the gun like you would really want to. You'll have to adjust it before you install it. However, Black Talon Tactical does give you some options here. They can mill the hole or that pocket in there for you by sending it in. They do offer this whole jig kit, which is super complete, from paint to carbide bits to a jig to ensure it's in the right spot. Or they also have their own lowers that are already ready to rock and roll with the own hole in it. And let me tell you, they are some great quality lowers also. However, to be honest with you, it really doesn't affect me. I'm kind of more of a set and forget kind of guy. So I kind of adjust it, set it in, see if it's where I want to be, take it out, make that adjustment, set it in, and then I kind of set it and forget it. And to be honest with you, for the whole 10 minutes it takes you to remove this thing, set it, and then reinstall it again, I find it not to be a big deal. But if you're somebody who winds up wanting to make adjustments on the fly, simply get the jig kit that they offer, send it in, or buy a new lower from Black Talon Tactical. So I guess those are cons if I had to figure some out. All right, I want you guys to see exactly how little movement this trigger needs to actually set off, how light I've got it set. Now I've got it set to about 2¼ pounds on this one, so it's extremely light. But watch how little my finger has to move, not only for it to break, but then reset and break again. All right, so let's check it out. That's it. That little bit of movement, or lack thereof, is what it takes to shoot this thing. That is incredible. One of the best triggers I've ever fired in my life. Insane. That's insane, right? I mean, that's just crazy. I've never felt a trigger that crisp with that kind of break and that little bit of movement. It translates to lightning fast shooting. It's awesome. All right, so what are my final thoughts on the Black Talon Tactical Adjustable Trigger? To be honest with you, it's one of the best triggers I've ever used. And like I said earlier, I am a complete snob when it comes to triggers. And I've run them all. I've owned pretty much every single one of them. And for me, I had some that I was like, you know what, I'm never gonna get rid of this trigger because it's absolutely spectacular. And then I shot this trigger and I absolutely fell in love. In fact, this trigger is not coming off this gun, I promise you. From the light, crisp break and the adjustability on that, to the fact that my finger almost virtually doesn't have to move to get the next shot out of this gun is amazing. It's predictable, it's easy to figure out how to shoot it, and man, is this thing fast. It really wakes this firearm up, or it'll wake up any AR-15. So I guess, in final thought, absolutely one of the best triggers I've ever used, and this trigger will be staying in my gun because I absolutely fell in love with this thing. So this thing is absolutely badass. So what is your favorite trigger, or the best trigger you've ever tried? Or has this video caused you to maybe want to try this trigger? Why don't you comment down below and let us know what you think. All right, and as usual, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and check out our socials and our website located in the description down below. And thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.